Hi, I'm Dr. Kurt Wohler for Autism Recovery System. If you've done an organic acids test from Great Plains Laboratory on your child, I would encourage you to look at page 1 of that test. Markers 2, 4, and 5 are specific to mold exposure, most commonly Aspergillus mold. If 2, 4, or 5 are elevated, it suggests that mold is actually growing, or there's an overgrowth, or what's called a colonization of mold in the digestive system. And that's problematic because mold growing in the gut can compromise immune function in the gut, which then increases the potential for things like candida or other types of bacterial imbalances. Now, the markers on the organic acid test, 2, 4, and 5 related to mold, do not indicate mycotoxins. Okay, those markers on the yolk are markers coming from mold, but in order to analyze for mycotoxins, these highly toxic substances that molds produce, you have to actually do the Great Plains Laboratory mycotox profile. That's another urine test that can be done, and I would strongly recommend people start doing that. Seeing a lot of kids come back with high mycotoxins. These mycotoxins are damaging to the brain and nervous system, immune system, etc. There is another marker on page 1 of the organic acid test as well called tricarboxylic. That particular marker is linked to a fungus found in corn and corn products. So remember, mold is a fungus. It's part of the fungus family. So if 9 is elevated, or tricarboxylic, it's marker 9 at the time of the recording of this video, that is another indicator of mold or exposure, fungal exposure. Okay, so, but again, the organic acid test is not defining mycotoxins. It's indicating the exposure to certain types of molds. But in order to evaluate for mycotoxins, you got to do the mycotoxin test from Great Plains Lab. Okay? So again, I'm Dr. Kurt Wohler for Autism Recovery System. Thank you.